Hello there and welcome back to the channel, and I've got a really cool two balloon model design for you today. Do you want to do the introduction? That's Dinosaur for this is a really cool two balloon T-Rex balloon model. So what you need for this is you'll need two 260s of the same colour. You could use red, you could probably get away with using yellow, orange. I'm going to use purple for this, but there's lots of different colours you could use for this. Kids absolutely love this design, and it's pretty straightforward to make, which makes it it makes it pretty good for line work, birthday parties and the like. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm going to blow up both of my 260s. You'll notice one's got a lot, this has got about 6 to 7 fingers, well about 6 fingers I would say uninflated. This one's only about 3 to 4 fingers. We're going to use this one, the one that I've left 6-7 fingers uninflated, to make my body, and the one with where I've left got less at the end, I'm going to use this balloon to make my legs. So first of all, we want to do the head. Give your balloon a nice stretch and a squeeze. That's always really important. You want to keep your balloon nice and soft, and about 2.5 finger, 3 finger bubble, about that size. And then you're going to make another one slightly smaller than this. Yeah. If you look, that one is slightly smaller, and I'm just going to use my nozzle on the balloon and just do that again. And just use my nozzle and just twist those together like you would do for any lock twist. Then take the nozzle, just pop it through the centre a couple of times so they don't come undone. And you can see we've sort of got, that's our head of our Dinosaurus Rex. Now we want to need about a 1.5 finger bubble, and I'm going to pinch twist this, and there we've got the head of our Dinosaurus Rex. So we're going to do, so we need about a 4 finger bubble. And I'm just going to give my Dinosaurus Rex a bit of shape. I'm going to sort of shape the head so it's pointing slightly downwards. Probably see why when we've finished this. I'm going to do a 1 finger bubble, and I'm going to pinch twist this bubble. Just lift, twist it 2 or 3 times. There we go. And now I'm going to do the paws. And you see that pinch twist is going to push the little sort of arms of my T-Rex out. About 3 finger bubble, or 2.5, about that size. And then I'm just going to do a little sort of 1/2 finger bubble, another 1/2 finger bubble, give my balloon a squeeze there, just keep it soft. Then I'm going to do another sort of 3 finger, 2.5 finger bubble. So that's what you should have. And I'm going to twist this into my pinch twist here. And you notice how that pushes out these sort of the claws, the little arms of my T-Rex sort of out. Now, I'm going to make the rest of my body, so about 6-7 finger bubble there. And at that point, I'm just going to twist that there, because that's where I'm going to have my legs. My legs of my T-Rex are going to come off here, and I'm going to put a pinch twist in here. So I can do that now. I think I will do that now. Just put a pinch twist in. So a 1 finger bubble. Just lift, twist 2 or 3 times, as you can see. So that's the top half of my T-Rex. I'm just going to put this to one side. So I'm going to make the legs of my T-Rex. Now, there's lots of things that you could do here. Add loads of detail, but I'm just going to make a very basic T-Rex. So about a 2-finger sort of flower petal, maybe a little bit on the small side. Twist your nozzle through one so it doesn't come undone, and then a 1-finger bubble, or a little bit bigger than that, and I'm going to pinch twist this. So I've got my pinch twist in there that holds the flower petal, helps to hold the flower petal in place, and then about 6 fingers, maybe 7 fingers, I'm going to put a little curl in my leg, just to gives it a bit more sort of shape. I quite like that, and then about a 3 to 4 finger distance there. So that's one side. I'm going to twist this into my pinch twist that I did on the body. So I'm going to get my body and my T-Rex back now, and I'm just going to twist this into my pinch twist here. Now it'll splay all over the place, don't worry about that. Keep this bit because you're going to use this for the tail, and you just want to do exactly what you've done here with the remaining bit of glue here. You should have loads of glue to work with, and hopefully still some inflated at the end. So that's about 4 fingers. Don't have to be exact, but as long as they're close enough, that'll do. Just twist there. So you can see the legs are about the same. And now I'm going to do my 2-finger flower petal. Again, need to be close, don't have to be exact though. And I'm just going to do a 1-finger bubble there. I'm going to pinch twist this. I think I'm not saying that right, am I? It sounds terrible, so I do apologise. I don't know. Just lost the power of speech this morning. Maybe it's a Sunday morning, got something to do with it. And you see we've got loads of excess. So what you're just going to do is just going to pop off your excess here. Just pop it off. Just tie a knot in it for insurance purposes. And then just wrap that through around your domino's feet. Right, let's turn that pinch twist over, have the tail there. So you can see the legs sort of splay out while you're doing this. Don't worry about that. And you can see it just make this nice and curly. I like to give this, should be soft, so you should be able to add some shape to it. And there you've got your Dinosaurus Rex. It's a popular one. So let's get to the artwork now. I'm going to do the eyes, really simple. And I'm going to sort of do, for my eyebrows, I'm just going to do them as little inverted V's like that. And for the mouth, I do a really nice sort of a jagged squiggle like that on both sides. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'm going to put a line just through my jagged squiggle like that and like that. And then we'll have some nostrils. And there is your T-Rex. So again, that is Dinosaur. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that, do subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. He'd love to hear from you. Okay. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.